responds and says, you sent the letter to us.
Who? Why?
I thought the people sent the letter to the king. One place may start to smack it. He writes in the plural, referring to himself and to his kingdom. Let's go to the next slide, please. No? Sorry, got no slides there. I thought I did. The reply. Isn't that interesting? Why would the king write in the plural? The people of Samaria wrote a letter to him. They said to King Artaxerxes, I'm writing to the king. I need to hear from the king. The king responds back in the plural. The plural majestatis rule says that it is common for someone to speak as his intentions in the plural. You know, how many times have we used this in our own speech? How many times when we collectively as a group want to embark on doing something, or we have an intention on doing something?
Well, that's WBCQ with a religious broadcast. So I'm receiving it on a loop antenna, and that's the wire rope. Worked pretty good. And connections, of course, my connections, I soldered them. And that little piece of tube you see in the center is for my wife's curtains. So that's WBL wideband loop antenna, and it's working good. This afternoon I opened it up and tried to tune it, and I didn't find much difference in tuning it, so I set it back where it was at the original position and left it. Anyway, I just thought I would show you this and this. And everything's the same here. Nothing's changed any since my wife last came in here. Hope all you guys have a Merry Christmas. Signal Hunter said that, and we're out.